Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work on normal unlocked phone in POCO X5 Pro. So to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then find additional settings somewhere at the bottom. Here, enter gestures and shortcuts, and now let's check how all of them work. First one, launch Google Assistant by pressing and holding the power key for half a second. Works fine. Next is slide 3 fingers down to make a screenshot, and volume down key and power key. That combination also should work as a screenshot. Let's try it out. This one works fine. This one also works fine. There's a partial screenshot. Here you just need to press your 3 fingers to make a partial screenshot. Launch camera. Now there's 2 options: double press the power key or double press volume down when your phone is locked. And let's enable this. It replaces the flashlight, which I'm going to cover in a second, but this one will work only on lock screen. So let's enable them both and just show you how they work. And here we have the camera with double press power key and with double press volume down key. Both of these options work normally, as they should. Next is turn on torch, and this is what I meant. We need to replace it with a camera now, and if you press double press power key, it should start the flashlight right here. Works fine. There's last 2 options, and it's back tap. So if you enter it, you can pick 2 different options for double back tap and triple back tap. If you choose double back tap, you can pick any of this action to happen when you back tap your phone, and do the same thing with triple back tap. Now we're gonna check this. So double back tap. And it should mute our phone, and it works fine. And if we triple back tap, we have the camera. Last is double tap fingerprint sensor. To also perform one of these actions, that there's let's go for launch Google Assistant, and you don't need to press it, simply touch it like that. And here's our Google Assistant. And that's all of the gestures and motions on this phone, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.